evening, folks. Got me, Big G, Woodrow. Finally got him out of the house. Here, we're on Martinsburg today, and it's winter time. If you can't tell, they have dropped the bottom out of the lake, and we're gonna be doing some, probably doing a lot of finessey stuff, drop shots, blade baits, Ned rigs. He's throwing. Woodrow's got a jig on. What did you start with?
Swim bait.
Swim bait. Oh, absolutely great this time of year. Today's video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. You don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is? Mystery Tackle Box is a subscription box you sign up for, and you get lures delivered to your door every month. Use my code, get your first box for as little as $10, and you're gonna get them every month. Woodrow's hung up, so I'm gonna do this quick. I'm gonna show you what we got. I'm gonna show you what we got in the November. And they put these boxes together based on the time of year and the type of fishing. So I'm bass fishing and it's winter time. So we got the Molex tailspin blade bait. We got some Ned rig baits, just some creature stuff. We got a deep diving crank. We got a black fly lures. That is a funky looking blade on that. Spinner bait. We got some hooks. And we got this little thing. Me and Woodrow might go head to head, and we're gonna see if one of his jigs will outfish this one. The tightrope baby fireworks super jig. So there you have it. Use the code, save some money, subscribe, and like the video. We're gone. Yep. G.
He said, "Oh my gosh, it's not." Look how little.
G. G, breaking the ice. Woo! Tried to get him to a challenge, he wouldn't do it. You'd been leading the challenge right now.
Feel how cold this
with
is.
That monster.
Feel it.
I'm not touching another man's fish.
Touch it.
I'm not touching it.
It's cute as a button.
It's
On that
freezing.
red square bill, you were naming them today, starting today. Go ahead.
Boy names or
Whatever you want to, honey.
Adam.
Adam, the founder of the world. Woodrow. I'm sitting here looking at one. Hold on. Let's see him here, Woodrow. What's that on?
That's a
Drop shot? Oh, yeah, son. I ain't got that tied on. We're on B, son.
B.
Baby.
Baroman.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
From
Taiwan?
Inside Out.
Oh.
And they're freezing.
Hey, I got a lot of viewers from Taiwan. Don't be messing with my Taiwanese followers.
Nobody said nothing about Taiwan but you.
Woodrow got him number 2. I might get skunked today. I'm just guiding them around, telling them when I see the fish. They dropping down.
You are so full of it.
Oh.
See.
Katrina.
King Kong.
With a C? You were, oh my
I
God.
ain't had no sleep. Let's see. We're gonna name him Carol. Her.
We're gonna name him Carol. What? Bigger one? Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, that's a chub, son. That is a chub. What you got? What are you doing different back here? Look at that gut.
Get that camera off me.
Huh? Get that camera. Look at that.
Yep.
That's a little chub.
C.
We're on D.
D.
No, C was King Kong.
Yeah, no, it was Carol. We're going with
G.U. Brown.
Dickens. As in
Dickens.
Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol.
Oh my gosh.
I'm stuck on A Christmas Carol apparently.
You was stuck on a 3-ton gorilla.
Oh my.
I'm sick of you now. Who invited this guy? Sonny's blistering him. Woodrow is putting on a clinic with the drop shot boys. How are you doing it? Explain to the people.
Well.
Wow.
That's all, folks. I think what I might be doing a little different is I've got my weight a little bit further down than you all.
Yeah.
That could have something to do with it. But
Well, I may retire. Well, you got about 2 foot at least, don't you? 2 foot. You didn't name it.
D,
No.
E.
E.
We'll go with
Eleanor.
my fish, my name. Edward.
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Here I wanted to go Charles Dickens all day long. And I had my shot. 2.
Got him. Any bigger?
No.
That's an ugly fish. Looks like he been down there rolling in poo-poo. F.
You won the tournament.
F.
F.
Smoothie.
Fezziwig.
Fezziwig. My goodness, I'm such a toad.
Oh, come on, man. So are we doing like all Christmas Carol names? Oh, gosh.
Oh, good.
I don't know, but I dropped straight down on its head. Double? Oh. Hey, that ain't a bad one. Oh, gosh, gee. I get to name one. Hey, that ain't far from a one to make me mad. What was F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I think one with G on.
Grinch.
The Grinch. Mwah! Oh, I love you, Grinchy Poo. Oh, chicken pluckers. Got him. That's that one I just missed, man. Come on now. Gee, put your drop shot on. Quit fooling around.
Hey, son.
Here, back up there, G. Let's see. Uh-oh, hold on.
I'll show you something.
Show me something. Is that one you missed? It's what they're eating, ain't it? And you just took his dinner.
I'll give it back. I mean, that's a pretty good sized bait.
That's a 4-inch bait, easy. Ugh. Right on your rod handle. Ugh.
You gonna drop
City
it
of
now or you
G.
gotta-
H.
H. Hepzibah.
Hepzibah, he says.
That's off of, oh gosh.
The Bible?
Seven Brothers. Yeah, that's what they was going to name their daughter. So, that's a Christmas movie.
Dropped it on his head.
Name that one Old Yeller.
You ugly boy. I don't even know what. Yeah. H I. That's I. I always get I. Ichabod. So we're up here at the dam and just trying to figure them out. Well, Woodrow starts putting on a clinic with the drop shot, and I'm just dropping straight down. Are you casting out?
Yeah.
I'm just going straight down, and it's working. So, but he found the technique, and we're consistent. What, 1 every 5 minutes?
Probably.
We're catching fish about 1 every 5 minutes. I know some people think these videos are just us catching them back to back to back. But we are catching them pretty good right now, about every 5 minutes. And when you're, oh, Nedley,
No, swim bait.
there you go, G. Make that about every minute and a half. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a chubby. That's a chubby. We need to double, boys. Come on, get the lines in the water.
Oh, no. Jacob.
Jacob. Oh, that's pretty. But yeah, we're dropping it down. G's throwing swim bait, so he's just slow rolling it. Me and Woodrow's drop down, just bouncing this. I'm using a Gulp 3-inch minnow, and he's using
Bass Pro Speed Shad.
Bass Pro Speed Shad, and he's caught a lot more than me, but about a 3-inch bait. And we pulled that piece of bait out of that one fish's mouth, and it had about a 3-4 incher in it, so we're at least matching what they're eating.
Uh-oh.
Got him! Man, they're all little fatties though, ain't they? I mean, they're not, we ain't caught nothing huge, but they're all eating.
They're all thick.
Okay.
Okay. What's a K name on a Christmas movie?
Kevin.
Kevin!
I was waiting on it. I was about to just start calling him a chicken plucker. Woodrow got him another one. Uh-oh. Any bigger?
No, I'm doing it left-handed, so it...
Oh.
Ooh.
Leo.
Leo. There we go.
Wait, Lemmy? Lenny? What about those elf cartoons? What are they?
Oh, Lanny.
Lanny.
Lanny. Lanny and Wayne. Lanny.
There you go.
Yeah.
Didn't run that.
Pretty good.
You're supposed to wait till I get the drone out.
No, make sure it's
just
good.
bring it in.
Make sure it's
Just
good.
bring it in. We'll catch them, boys. We're on them. We can't not catch them. Woodrow, the clinic continues. We got a double. Come on. We do, and I'm. Oh, grab it! Oh, grab it! Is it gone?
It's all at the bottom.
Whose ball was it?
That's mine.
Which one is it?
A rocket.
Oh. 100%.
Got him.
No. Better one, maybe.
Oh.
Took you wormy. No.
Didn't.
Woodrow broke the ice. It's been a few minutes.
Let's see. What are we on? We had K. L.
I think we're on L.
Lanny.
Yeah.
That's what we did. Lanny.
M.
L. M.
Okay.
We'll do M. We'll do Mary from the Nativity. Oh, Mary.
Did you watch that whole video? Did Lance say, or did he only do like 2 minutes? Oh, good.
It don't fall.
Chop, chop.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one.
In. Nick.
Nick.
Oh, little Saint Nick. Go swim my pole back up here. That'd be a Murray birthday. Christmas, whatever.
Very giddy. A little better one, please. Not a big one, but.
Oh,
Man.
keeper, baby. Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Good one. That's a pound and a half.
Getting ready to get him, he said. Look at that tail.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's character mark.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a good one.
Oprah.
G ain't catching a lot of fish, so he's excited about name.
Let's go with what's an old Christmas name? All I think of is "Oh Holy Night." It's the name of a song.
Name of the song.
Oh Holy Bass.
Oh, holy bass.
That was a better one.
Woodrow called a uh-oh. You downgraded dirt. Crappie! Now, why can't you catch about 30 of them right off the bat and fill you live well up and have you get fish fry? But you won't get nothing out of that.
I can't even.
You don't name that. You don't get to name that. Oh, double jump.
What a hook fish.
Big G. Come on. Oh, you're whirly doing him in. Catfish. Oh, you got the P. You caught P. Dun, 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 dun.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan. He doubled up on the P. That's it, boys. Woodrow. Tell the people how you catch all them bass on that drop shot rig there like you did today.
I don't always get to fish, but when I do, I catch the biggest and the most.
You got anything to say? No. That's it. We're gone.